And it's alright following me at night. You got nothing else for yourself to realize. Cartoon dog may be around, playing with his sound, to hold you down, chasing you around. And it's alright following me at night. You got nothing else for yourself to realize. Cartoon dog is nearby. He'll probably make you cry. Would you come by again and hurting my friend, reliving my nightmares all over again? Medicine's helping me, saving my pain, but I feel emotions all through my veins. Cartoon dog may be around, playing with his sound, to hold you down, chasing you around. And it's alright following me at night. You got nothing else for yourself to realize. Cartoon dog is nearby. He'll probably make you cry.
And it's alright following me at night. You got nothing else for yourself to realize. Cartoon dog may be around, playing with his sound, to hold you down, chasing you around. And it's alright following me at night. You got nothing else for yourself to realize. Cartoon dog is nearby. He'll probably make you cry. Would you come by again and hurting my friend, reliving my nightmares all over again? Medicine's helping me, saving my pain, but I feel emotions all through my veins. Cartoon dog may be around, playing with his sound, to hold you down, chasing you around. And it's alright following me at night. You got nothing else for yourself to realize. Cartoon dog is nearby.